Morning, ma'am.
Very good morning. Your good name, please?
Kandukuri Navya.
Navya. Can I see your resume? How are you, Navya?
I'm superb, ma'am.
Okay, Navya. Tell me about yourself, Navya.
First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Kandukuri Navya. I'm basically from Baswapur. I'm currently staying in Hyderabad.
Okay.
I completed my graduation in the stream of BSc MPCS from Jagruti Degree and PG College, and I completed my intermediate from Sri Sneha Junior College, and I completed my schooling at ZPHS Baswapur. I have a good knowledge in .NET. My strengths are I am always self-motivated person. I have a quick learning ability, creative and energetic.
Okay.
My short-term goal is to get a job in a reputed company, and my long-term goal is to get achieve a best position and organization too, ma'am.
Okay.
Lastly, I'm honest and self-motivated person. I have always interested to learn new things to enhance my skills, ma'am.
Okay, Navya. You said you know about .NET, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Explain about .NET.
.NET is an application development platform for building mobile apps, websites, etc. It is
Okay.
introduced by Microsoft in the year of 2002. It is a secured application. It supports multiple languages such as C Sharp, Visual Basic, etc.
Okay. Define CLR.
CLR stands for Common Language Runtime. It is the execution engine for all .NET languages. Application developed in any .NET language based on CLR only. CLR is a part of .NET framework, pre-installed in Windows.
Okay. Do you know components of the CLR?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me about the components of the CLR.
Class loader, security manager, thread manager, exception manager, memory manager, JIT compiler, garbage collector.
Okay. Explain about .NET framework.
.NET Framework is a software development framework for building and running applications on Windows. It
Okay.
is a part of .NET platform.
Okay. Differentiate between .NET Core and .NET framework.
.NET Framework and .NET Core both are software development platforms. .NET Framework is running only on Windows, and .NET Core is up-to-date version of .NET Framework. It will running on Mac, OS, Linux, etc.
Okay.
JIT
Zip compiler.
JIT compiler stands for just-in-time compiler. It converts MSIL code to native machine language. MSIL stands for Microsoft Intermediate Language.
Okay. Explain variables in C Sharp.
Variables are named memory locations in random access memory to store a particular type of value during the program execution.
Okay. Identifiers and explain about the rules to create.
Identifiers are names which are class, variable, field, method to identify. Identifier can't start with numbers but can end with numbers. Identifiers cannot allow characters like full stop, comma, question mark, etc. Only we can use underscore and identifiers.
Okay. What is software?
Software is a set of instructions that are to operate a computer
Hmm.
and execute a specific tasks. Opposite of hardware, software is a generic term. It refers to applications and programs running on a device.
Okay. What is the use of switch case in C Sharp?
In C Sharp, switch case statement used to perform different actions based on different type of values. It's like a menu where you choose what kind type of action based on a specific value.
Okay. What is different types of casting?
There are four types of castings: implicit casting, explicit casting, try-parse parsing, and conversion method. Implicit casting means from lower numerical type to higher numerical type is known as implicit, and
Okay.
explicit casting means from higher numerical type to lower numerical type is known as explicit. Parsing and try-parsing means from string to numerical type is known as parsing and try-parse. Conversion method. Conversion method means from any primitive type to any other primitive type is known as conversion method, ma'am.
Okay. Different types of operators in C Sharp.
There are seven types of operators in C Sharp, ma'am. Arithmetical, assignment, comparison, concatenation, increment and decrement, logical and ternary operators.
Okay. Explain about loops in that C sharp.
For loop, while loop, do while loop. For loop means it repeats a block of code for specific number of times. While loop means repeats a block of code as long as specific condition is true. Do while means it repeats a block of code at least once and continues as long as specific condition is true. Is known as do while loop.
Okay, Navya. Good knowledge on your core course. We will get
Thank,
back to you.
thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome.